Welcome to this episode of Growing at Reiman Gardens. I'm Steil, Education and Plant Collection Coordinator here at the Gardens. Today we're going to talk about some unusual pests that have invaded our garden, dinosaurs. Learn more about our latest exhibit entitled Dinosaurs and Other Common Garden Pests. Featuring dinosaurs built and designed by Missouri artist Guy Darrow, Dinosaurs and Other Common Garden Pests features many different prehistoric creatures and many different modern-day pests in our garden. Think of the dinosaurs as invading our space, and what can you do to help control them? Every dinosaur features information about that dinosaur and about a pest that bothers us today in our garden. With each dinosaur, we talk about when it lived on Earth, where it lived, maybe a fun fact about it, and something you can do to help control it in the garden. Because animals this big are sure to cause problems in any garden, including ours. In the butterfly wing, you'll see the giant sea scorpion, one of the largest arthropods ever found in the fossil record. This creature probably lived in brackish coastal swamps or in a river delta. Speaking of arthropods, if you travel down the hall to the conservatory, you're going to see a giant scorpion, a giant millipede, and giant cockroaches. These giant arthropods existed all in prehistoric times, and we're not quite sure why they grew to be so large. Some scientists believe that they may have become giants due to their higher levels of oxygen in the prehistoric atmosphere. Another theory says that they evolved in an arms race alongside other likely prey like early armored fish. If you travel into the conservatory and look up again, you'll find another one of our flying creatures, the Quetzalcoatlus. This is one of the largest known animals to fly, with a wingspan of up to 33 feet, which is bigger than some airplanes. Traveling outside to just east of the butterfly wing, you'll find an oviraptor. Oviraptors were bird-like dinosaurs that had short snouts, toothless jaws, and a rounded mass of thin bone covering its nose, resembling a chicken's comb. These peculiar-looking dinosaurs were once thought to be egg robbers, hence the name oviraptor, which means egg robber. But now, today, scientists aren't so sure. Heterodontosaurus is another smaller dinosaur featured at the Gardens. It had very complex teeth with 3 different types lining its jaw that it used for grinding and chopping plant material. Some scientists also think that the Heterodontosaurus likely ate other types of food, such as small animals. As you travel into the Campanile Garden, you're going to see one of our biggest dinosaurs, the Parasaurophilus. Paris, as we call her for short, was a duck-billed type dinosaur with an elongated crest which was believed to make noises to signal mates. You can see her lying here, protecting her nest of eggs. Now on to a dinosaur that you're probably very familiar with, the crocodile. The crocodile is considered a living fossil because it has lived virtually unchanged for over 230 million years. This colorful bird-like dinosaur is called a bambiraptor and had one of the largest brain to body size ratios in the world, which leads scientists to believe that it was actually quite intelligent. Because of its small size, it was named Bambiraptor after the familiar Disney movie character Bambi. But others say that it might have been named Bambiraptor because Bambino is Italian for baby. Hiding amongst the plants is a group of small dinosaurs called Compsognathus. This carnivore resembled a wingless bird, and scientists believe that it fed on large insects and small lizards. These little dinosaurs scaling the trees are called sorties. These fossils were found preserved with the remains of short hair-like fibers around their body. Some scientists believe this was an external covering similar to down on birds. Another plant-eating dinosaur invading our gardens is the Maisaura. The first fossils ever found of Maisaura were in a huge nesting colony that included eggs, babies, and adults, making scientists believe that it was a very nurturing animal. Hence, its name means good mother lizard. Another mother running through the gardens is the Allosaurus with her 3 juveniles. This dinosaur was up to 40 feet in length and weighed up to 2 tons and hunted in packs. This bronze casting is of a Tyrannosaurus rex skull. This carnivore was up to 50 feet long, 20 feet high, and weighed as much as 7 tons. Many believe that this was the largest carnivore to ever walk the earth. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Growing at Reiman Gardens. For more information about Reiman Gardens or to see other videos, please visit our website at www.reimangardens.com.